How to become a millionaire in 10 steps. Number 3. Max out your retirement plan. If your company offers a 401k plan with matching contributions, then you need to be taking full advantage of it. Matching contributions typically account for somewhere between 3 and 6% of an employee's annual salary. The matching contribution is free money that your company is offering to you. Millionaires take advantage of opportunities to earn free money, and so should you. In order to take advantage of the maximum benefit of matching plan, you need to max out your 401k plan. The maximum contribution for an employee for 2022 is $20,500. Employees over 50 can contribute an additional $6,500 per year in contributions. If you do not have access to a 401k, then you need to open a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA allows you to contribute $6,000 per year towards retirement. The catch-up provision allows adults 50 and older to contribute an additional $1,000 to their retirement plans. A Roth IRA is a good deal for those seeking to build wealth because your money grows income tax-free. You give up getting a tax deduction today for your contributions, and in return, you never have to pay a dime in taxes on your earnings at 59.5. If you can take $50,000 and turn it into $500,000, you get to keep the whole $500,000 without worrying about paying Uncle Sam. Having the millionaire mindset means taking advantage of tax-advantaged accounts to build wealth.